Well, good morning, everyone. This is Mark from Chapter Next with Mark and Jamie. Jamie's not in this video. I need to show you guys something very serious that we found on our trailer. And we managed to find it, and hopefully I'm going to get it repaired today. But let me show you what's going on here by our axles. Okay, so I'm on the driver's side of the trailer, and I had to pull off the front wheel of the tandems here. This device right here is a control manifold for the LP gas, and as you can see, this is the axle, and this is connection coming out of that port. And if you notice, it's a little bit rounded, because what had happened, I don't know if I can get a good view of this, is the axle bottomed out and smashed the connector right here, and this is where we have a LP leak. So and I have a LP detector that I'll show in the end. It was an inexpensive thing that I was able to buy off of Amazon. But it took me a long time, months, to be able to find this, because this is kind of hidden with the tires and everything, and I really didn't know, or didn't even expect to have my LP gas line in a place where it could be damaged by axle movement, much less road debris and all that. So this is a complete shock here. I don't know why the manufacturer put this here. There's no reason that the bracket couldn't have been bolted inside the frame on the other side of this frame member and get this thing up and out of the way. So if you own a Crossroads trailer, this is a 2017 model, I would suggest you get under your trailer and look for these kinds of things to make sure that you're not going to suffer the same fate here. I did stop at Camping World yesterday to see if they sold these lines, or if the service department could make up a line for me, and they weren't able to. They suggested that I go to a service area. It's like a 24-hour truck repair shop, and I talked to those guys, and it sounds like that they can make up this line for me, and I'm gonna try to get this disconnected and take it down there and get it fixed. So if that all pans out, I'll continue with this video. Thanks. Okay, so we got the part fixed. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do it. I just couldn't get enough leverage to get that connection broken free. So I took it to a place called 618 Fix My RV, which is in Benton, Illinois. Great group of guys. They have an indoor shop there with 3 or 4 bays, and they just opened that location. Called him up. He was able to get me in. Ordered the hose, which is about a 6-foot hose. Got it in within a couple of days and got me back on the road. So really happy with that group. If you have an opportunity or a need for repairs of all kinds, they've got experts in engines, body repair, all the appliances, you name it. So great group of folks. I'll show their information at the end of this. Thanks.